Omega Harbinger. First thing, just kill the 2 soldiers that show up. Send in your Nick. Okay, got rid of him. Send in controllers. Just slowly pick the base apart. Controllers will do the brunt of the work. Get minimum damage. Usually get about a minute and a half worth of damage. Now you got to watch out for the pendants. Kill these 2 and the pendants is going to come. Just run away from it so you can kill it later. Now retreat up here. And the pendant should leave you alone. There, okay, pendants is gone. Alright, now we're going to do this. We're going to clean out these guys because they're going to tend to want to kill us. Alright. Now we're going to get rid of the whole right side of the base. Now we get rid of the pendants. Now we'll shoot here. Clean out this whole right side. Alright, get rid of them guys. We keep all the damage to less than 5 minutes and we're good to go. Got another tune of controllers. We're going to clean out a little bit more. Take out the Overwatch. Do minimum damage there. Now we'll clean out the left side. All right, put those guys down there. Now watch out for the pendants. Run away from them and we'll kill them when they stop. Thing locked up on me. That's what happens. If you get a lag, your controllers, normally my controllers don't get hit at all. Stupid lag. All right, that cleans out almost everything. Now we'll just send in. Oh, we're out of time. Not a problem. Clear the rest of the base with absolvers and devouts. And you're done. 12 devouts, 6 absolvers are deadly. That's it. I'm not going to get anything because I've already got it. Just thorium, but that's how you do it. Go and do likewise.